Welcome back into Good Morning Maryland. Today, legislators will consider whether the state should refund homeowners shortchanged on property tax credits. WMAR 2 News' Mallory Safaste reported on the state's miscalculation a few months ago, and she tells us what's being done to make the situation right, because if it matters to you, it's a matter for Mallory.
If the bill becomes law, Maryland homeowners could receive hundreds or even thousands of dollars in refunds, but it's a complicated process and there are questions. How will the state be able to do this? When and how much will it cost? Lawmakers with sharp criticism in December.
There are tax-paying residents of this state who were, pardon my French, screwed over.
Their plan is to make it right with legislation. Delegate Al Carr and 18 others introduced House Bill 158, which puts the lofty task on the State Department of Assessments and Taxation.
Yes, it has all the information about who has applied for the homeowners tax credit in the past, so they are able to track those people, identify those people, and recalculate their credits so that people can get what they are owed.
These are homeowners who receive the homeowners tax credit, but not the full amount. Other tax credits had been deducted first, reducing the incentive. The department agreed they will not do this going forward, but didn't admit to the error discovered by auditors in October.
What SDAT was doing, as far as we were concerned, was not in violation of state law, but that it was disparate treatment that was unintentional and needed to be resolved with new policies.
However, during that hearing, the department admitted they found documentation dating back to 1996, advising them not to calculate the homeowner's tax credit in this way. We obtained a copy of that memo and asked why it had been disregarded. A spokesperson said, quote, "The department rediscovered the memo in 2018 while researching whether the policy could be changed. We are unaware of the circumstances that led to the policy that existed from 2005 through 2019. Auditors estimated at least $4.4 million could be owed to homeowners in Montgomery County and Baltimore City just for 2019. And while the miscalculation dates back to 2005, House Bill 158 goes back 3 years and gives the state 6 years to issue refunds.
If it were you or me or anyone who didn't pay the correct amount of state taxes and the state went after us and said, no, you have to pay up the amount that you owe, they would go after us for 3 years. So fair is fair. We're just going to have the state be treated the exact same way.
There's a hearing on the bill today at 1:30 p.m. The Maryland Department of Budget and Management is against additional spending to refund homeowners, saying it would exacerbate the state's ability to fund current and future fiscal needs. We still don't know how much it would cost the state, and if it were to pass, when homeowners can expect to receive refunds.
All right, well, we have a link to the hearing on our website, WMAR2news.com/matter for Mallory. And Mallory will also have an update on the bill later this afternoon at 6 o'clock on WMAR 2 News. Now, if you have a matter for Mallory, she always wants to hear from you. It's easy to do so. You can email her at mallory@WMAR.com or find her on Facebook and Twitter. It is time to get one last check of our traffic and weather. Let's start with